Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to find your iPhone's model number. Sometimes you may be asked what specific model iPhone you have, especially when you go to trade or sell it. There are a couple of numbers that help pinpoint the exact model you have, rather than just saying the iPhone 12. To find your model number, open Settings. Inside of Settings, scroll down and then choose General. Next, tap About at the top. Looking in this list, you'll then see Model Number. But the kind of confusing thing here is, this initial number that it shows you, in my case MG923LL/A, is actually the Apple order number. So if you give this number to someone expecting a model number, they might be confused. And if you remember on any older iOS device, they used to print a model number on the back, and that number was a letter followed by 4 digits. The trick here is, tap that order number on the right. It will then change the order number over to your model number. And again, in my case, it shows A2342, which is what we're used to seeing. Now you can use that number and people will know which iPhone you have. And that's how you find your iPhone's model number. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.